We're always getting ready to host major events. The club's been open for over 60 years, and of those 60 years, 47 of those years we've hosted professional golf.
We are at Quail Hollow Club in Charlotte, North Carolina. There's 18 holes on the golf course. The original architect was George Cobb.
Then Mr. Palmer came in, Arnold Palmer came in, and he did some renovation work. And then our course architect for record right now is Mr. Tom Fazio. We grow both warm season and cool season grasses, so as far as our maintenance schedules, we're maintaining the golf course 12 months out of the year, so we're mowing all the time.
Mow greens every day, sometimes double, triple cut if we have to.
FMC makes my job much easier through their portfolio of products. They give me great products to work with. For example, we'll use Tausar in the roughs around structures and things of that nature. We'll use Kalita on the greens because it's so safe and it's got 2 modes of action with novel chemistry that really works well for some of the diseases that we're attacking on greens.
Their chemistries have really helped us sleep at night with how great they are. Pythium protection is big for us. You know, the combination of DMIs and SDHIs and some of their fungicides really help us cover ourselves with these big tournaments and events coming up to make it the best it can be.
And even with the herbicides, combining active ingredients to make a really special blend that increases efficacy. And I look at Dismiss, Echelon, and Solitaire. It's my go-tos. FMC's Give Back program has been very successful in helping support the Superintendent Image Campaign to help legislators understand how much the game of golf means to the Carolinas and also the income for the state, and how many jobs are directly reflected into the golf course industry as a whole. Through FMC giving back to the chapter, they're able to double down, and hopefully that turns into a huge give back program and creates jobs and helps our state governments really understand what we do and how much it means to the good of the communities. They're pushing out information that is real world information that will help superintendents do a better job at growing grass. I don't think that any one product from any manufacturer is a stopgap performer. It takes a rotation, it takes a programmed approach to be successful, and utilizing FMC's toolkit definitely helps us all get to the place where we want to be. And they do a wonderful job of laying out their website to make it easy for me to navigate and find the products that I need to find.
They listen to all the superintendents. They know that they need to get the next best thing coming onto the market, and they've really done that.